Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. First, let me apologize for my voice. I am dealing with a cold. I've been sick for the past couple of days, so my voice may go in and out, but I did want to participate in this challenge hosted by two of my beautiful sisters, Homebody with Forlisa and Creative Glam, which is Sharon, okay? They are hosting the Spring Décor DIY Under $20 challenge. And all they wanted us to do is to put together any type of DIY that we wanted. And it must be spring related. Now, I've been wanting to do this, and I'm gonna have to create this some kind of way to make it spring related. We'll see. But I had these items already. Of course, my glue gun, and you may see me a little bit. I do have on my PJs, so I apologize for that, because I am dealing with mirrors. Let me sit down. Of course, here I have my glue gun and glue sticks, which I already had. I made a trip to the Dollar Tree and purchased some craft sticks. I purchased 6 round mirrors. I really and truly had all of these, guys. So 6 round mirrors and 12 square mirrors. Now, what I want to put together is a mirrored art piece that can be versatile, okay? I'm gonna probably show it in 2 different ways. So we're just gonna jump right in and get this put together. So as I'm putting it together, I will play music. Very simple. Let me give you an idea of what I'm gonna do though, okay? I'm gonna take 4 of these mirrors, square mirrors, place them to the side there. Like so. See that? Make sure it's lined up when I put it together. And then I'm gonna place that silver one on top. All right, very pretty. That's pretty as is, all right? What I want to do, I want to make a runner, all right? But I'm gonna also show you, I'm gonna also show you this piece. If I'm able to, I might just show it up against the wall just by holding my hands up and have my husband hang it at a later time. But yes, I'll show it as a runner on a table with maybe a floral piece. But right now we're just gonna get started. And again, I have 12 mirrors. Now what I may do, I may go back and get a foam board. I thought I had some here. but I did not to stabilize it more. This is pretty much how it will look though, okay? So there's one. Very simple project, but it gives you that touch of glam, okay? For, again, under $20. You just have to make sure you take your time and line up your mirrors properly. Excuse me. I actually laid this out on my table when I was playing around with it, and I asked my husband what did he think, and he loved it. He thought it was very pretty. And I like to make DIYs when I make them that I am going to use. Now guys, the way I'm doing this, I would definitely suggest that you put a foam backing on it. Because it does fall apart when you flip it. So that's my error there, okay? By not using the foam board. Doing this real life to show you this. That one I did not line up that well, but that's the beauty of using the hot glue as well. I can pop it loose and realign it. Now if that was E6000, that's a different story. Perfect. Don't worry about if you see any seepage. That can be easily cleaned with a razor blade. Right here of some glue, and it scrapes off easily with a razor blade. Alright, no problem. Alright, like so. Now guys, I really didn't need I really didn't need 6 of these. I only needed 3. So I have 4 of the square, excuse me, I have 12 of the square mirrors and 3 of the circle mirrors, which brings me up to $15, and the popsicle sticks, which is $16. Guess what I found, guys? I knew I had at least one piece a foam board. Oh, thank God. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this cut to size. I'm gonna lay this on here, cut it to size. That will stabilize this whole piece, all right? Take my X-Acto knife, go down this edge here, glue it to the foam board, and then it will be stabilized. I'm just going to glue it to the board. A generous amount of glue. Generous amount of glue. And that's going to stabilize this piece. You would definitely get your workout on with your hot glue gun for sure, with your hands. And there it is, guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get it cleaned up, and y'all see me scarf and all. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this cleaned up and put in place and let you see it, hopefully in 2 areas, okay? Stay tuned. I'm gonna clean this mirror with this window cleaner, awesome window cleaner from Dollar Tree. Must give a tip though. When you clean your mirrors, do not spray it directly on your mirror. Spray it in the cloth that you're cleaning and then clean away, all right? By spraying a solution on your mirrors, you damage them, all right? So if you want your mirrors to last for a long, long time, spray it in the cloth and not directly on the mirror. Just thought I'd throw that tip in. Hey guys, here's my table runner. My Glam mirrored table runner that I just made. It is beautiful. This piece is so versatile. And this is how it looks with my spring centerpiece. This pink vase that I picked up from Marshall's for just $4. I already had it. I hauled it earlier this month. And those hydrangeas I already had as well in my floral stash. But I love this art piece on my table. I do not have my table fully set, but this gives you an idea. And don't know if it will stay exactly like this. gotta tweak it. I gotta tweak it. But let me give you another idea with this art piece. Now, as I said, I wanted to show you another way you could use this. And I'm not going to be able to show you in place, but I can give you an idea of what you could do with this piece as well. You could take a sconce of some kind, all right, and attach it in one of these circles here, and it will make a beautiful statement piece like so. So can you imagine this being silver, painted silver, and put in place? Put your pretty spring candle up top there. All right, it will be a beautiful piece. Making 2 of these as a set. All right, that gives you an idea. Or you could make 3 or 4 rows of this mirror, and this piece would look like something you would buy out of Z Gallery, okay? Imagine 3 or 4 rows of this piece. Beautiful, right? Well guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please go over to Homebody with Forlisa and Sharon of Creative Glam. I will have their links to their channels listed in my description box down below, as well as a playlist of the participants. Guys, I cannot wait to see what everyone came up with. Thank you, Sharon. Thank you, Forlisa, for being such gracious hostesses. And thank you all for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.